Creating your custom supplement business with NutraCap Labs can help you turn your ideas into reality. We are a full-service custom formulation manufacturer that operates a state-of-the-art FDA-registered facility in Norcross, Georgia, that offers complete turnkey services to help you create your private label supplement business from scratch. We are the actual manufacturer of your supplements and not a broker, which means we can control quality, consistency, and cost, and provide you with low bottle minimums, industry-best lead times, and the ability to scale your products as demand increases. Because our brand developers and formulation specialists have hundreds of hours of training under their belts, we are best suited to answer your questions and accomplish your goals. Let us work with you to develop a unique formula, design new logos and labels, and get your new supplements produced quickly. Contact us today at 800-688-5956.